So in this video, we're just going to quickly look at a couple of amides that you might have heard of before. So one common amide is urea. So urea has the structure that actually has two nitrogens coming off of both sides of the carbonyl. And they're unsubstituted on both sides. This is commonly referred to as waste nitrogen. Another common amide that you might have heard of is acetaminophen, which is even more commonly known as Tylenol. So there's a benzene ring with an OH attached and then an amide. And then one other we'll talk about, we have DEET. Which has this structure.